EJ Antoni joins me now. EJ, happy Black Friday. Is Black Friday still important? I mean, we've seen these holiday promotions going on for weeks. I've already started wrapping my Christmas gifts because I don't expect the deals to get much better. What do you think?
Yeah, Lauren, I think that's spot on. Look, these days are still important. They're just not nearly as important as they used to be. I know it's anecdotal, but I was out with my father this morning helping him grab a tree, and the parking lots just looked like any other weekday. There really wasn't anything special there in terms of volume. However, all we're doing is simply, I think, transferring that volume to other days in November or other days in December. So I would expect you're still going to see the overall same volume of holiday sales there.
The White House says it might slash income tax completely over the next few years because of the revenue that is being generated from the tariffs. Do you think eliminating the income tax altogether makes sense?
Well, sure, if you're going to have absolutely massive cuts to government spending, which I would love, don't get me wrong, but it's just not feasible, again, unless you're going to have much higher tariffs and much less government spending. You know, it is true historically, Lauren, as I'm sure you know, that this country did fund the federal government almost exclusively with tariffs for a good number of years. That's how our country got started. But that was when government was only a couple percentages of the overall economy, not 20 to 25% like we've seen more recently. So again, if you really want to get rid of something like the income tax, the government's main source of revenue every year, you could theoretically do it, but it's going to again require much higher tariffs and much less government spending.
Got it. EJ Antoni, thank you very much.